to talk about in the weather department.
Yeah, we want the rain, but we got some potential storms to deal with as well.
Yeah, this is straight 0 to November in no time flat. I mean, we are headed right into it. Wind, rain, potential of severe thunderstorms. And keep in mind, it's been nearly 3 months since we had a single day, a 24-hour period with 1 inch of rain. Some of us are going to wind up with 3 inches of rain by this time tomorrow afternoon. The two things I think that all of us have to contend with: strong wind gusts around 40 miles per hour plus. Prepare for some power outages. They may be sporadic, but just be ready for that. Flashlights, candles, that sort of thing. Short-term power outages are expected. There is potential that a storm or two could go severe on us later tonight. That would be after 10 p.m. through about 7 to 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. So that's our primary time to be watching the radar very, very closely for any threat of severe weather. Wind, rain, and storms. Temperatures holding in the 60s through tomorrow morning. We'll bounce to about 68 with a mostly cloudy sky, potentially a sprinkle tomorrow afternoon. Otherwise, not much rain once we're past about 10 a.m. on Tuesday. So here's the timeline and the severe weather risk. You see the level 2 here does include parts of Fayette, Lamar, Pickens, Tuscaloosa, Hale, Greene, Sumter, Perry, and western Bibb counties. That is where we are likely to see a bit more energy available for these thunderstorms to be severe, potentially producing high winds or tornadoes. And that's generally up till about 4 o'clock in the morning. Between about 1 a.m. and 8 a.m., though, I think this line is going to slow down, almost stall out over Jefferson, Cullman, Blount, St. Clair, Etowah, Cherokee, and DeKalb counties, and then slowly sink southeast into Shelby County, Chilton County, down towards Sylacauga, Talladega, Childersburg, Ashland, Lineville, Oxford, Anniston after 4 a.m. through about 10 a.m. So this, again, without the colors on it, you can pick out your town and look at the times here. It's going to be a long night around here, but severe weather is probably not the biggest concern for the majority. It's something to be watchful for, but I don't think we all have to contend with severe storms like these out to the west. And sometimes it's good to see what's going on in the afternoon, see these near I-20. If these continue on that path, it looks like Sumter, Greene, Hale, maybe Tuscaloosa County sometime after about 10 o'clock, potentially to as late as midnight or 1 o'clock in the morning. Here's what the Futurecast does with it. We get overspread with rain early in the morning. This is not a big mass of severe thunderstorms. That's just a lot of heavy rain. The stronger storms likely tapping into energy farther to the south. These will pull to the east. We still have some locally heavy rain going on early tomorrow morning, and then tomorrow afternoon and evening a brief shower or two is left over. 1 to 2 inches of rain area wide, but I've highlighted the yellow zone here where I think we're going to get probably 2 inches, maybe even 3 inches, where heavy storms train over the same areas. So be on the lookout for some flash flooding right here in the Birmingham area, potentially up toward Aniana, Cullman, Gadsden, and down into Shelby County too. Strong wind gusts overnight. Some of these are going to go higher than 40 or even 50 miles per hour. So again, power outages possible, secure garbage cans, patio furniture, that sort of thing. Storms move out Tuesday. We're dry and cooler on Wednesday. Thanksgiving Day, a brief shower late. Otherwise, just a cool and calm kind of day. Brief showers early Friday morning, and the weekend looking good for the Iron Bowl. You're watching WVTL.